everyone. Today we are going to make the loaded sweet potato with flatten and cheese. We need salt, pepper, oil, black bean, sweet potato, and cheese, and baking pan, and the cutting pan.
Cutting board.
Cutting board.
Okay. So Fiona and Sophie will help me spray the oil to the baking pan gently, one by one. Okay. And then
What's the one? Candle.
Yeah. Sophie will first. I will cut the sweet potato. Okay.
Put it everywhere. Yeah. You help me? I'll help Sophie.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, get to Fiona. Get to Sophie. Sophie, you will put this on the pan, okay?
然后又喷上了。
Remember to put the oil on the sweet potato, okay? No, like this. See, you have a lot of oil here. Use your sweet potatoes to spray it now, okay? That way, both the baking pan and the sweet potato have oil. Or what you can do, hold on, Fiona. Wait. What you can do else is you spray it like this way and turn it around, right? You can just spray on the pan. You don't spray on every sweet potato. Flip it. If there's one side don't have oil, there's another side have oil. So both sides can get a touch of the oil.
看我把这个转得像一个陀螺。
Yeah. Turn and turn and turn. Oh, good. Good, Fiona. Good job. Let me see Sophie.
那它再喷回去。
That's okay too. You can do both ways. Our goal is to put oil.
I'm going last.
Okay. Okay, now what we'll do? We're baking the sweet potato now. We'll put it into the oven for 30 minutes. And we'll come back to see what happens to the sweet potato after heating. Okay? Can you tell me what's the color of the sweet potato now?
Orange.
Yes, it's orange. Okay.
Orange. I am orange. This is small.
You put it into the oven.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
See you soon. Come on. See you soon. Potato. More here to see.
So I already took the sweet potato out of the oven, and I combined 2 trays into 1 tray because it shrinked. I'll leave this one here and put some salt and pepper.
Wow. Is that raining? Rain. Go away.
And Sophia will put the cheese on top of the sweet potato first. Yes.
Sprinkle it down.
I will help you, okay? No, wait, Phil. Yes, that's right. Wait for Sophie put the cheese on. And you can put the black bean.
我拿好多。
Yes.
我拿这个。 There.
Good. Make it a little bit even. Wow. Wow, that's okay. After Fiona put the scoop of the black beans, we'll put another layer of the cheese. Another layer of the cheese. Good job, Fiona. You can put a little bit more here and one little scoop here. Okay. Now we'll put the cheese now, okay? Another layer. Wow. Look at that. You can put more here, Fiona, if you want. Good job. Yeah. And this one. This one. Too much, so be one hand. Good job. Okay. I will put it in the back of the oven and we'll eat in 5 minutes. Okay, you can put it on. Which one can I put on?
Black beans.
Put a little more here, and more here, and here, and more here. Good? Wow, we're finished. Okay. Okay. We'll put it 5 minutes.
Era. Vi ik er gaan.